In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable easy mode on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you're using any Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to switch to easy mode, here are the steps you need to take. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, then scroll down and click on display. Now scroll down and tap easy mode. So once you click on easy mode, you have option to switch to easy mode here. Use a simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen items, a longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental action, a high contrast keyboard for better readability. Any customization you've made to the home screen will be discarded. The essence of the easy mode layout on your Samsung phone is to give you a different look on your Samsung phone with the app icon bigger than how it used to be, and all your predefined settings on your Samsung phone home screen will be deleted, while you can easily switch back to this. But once the easy mode is enabled, all this will be discarded. Now to enable easy mode, all you need to do is tap easy mode and toggle on this feature. There you go. You can see now you have touch and hold delay. This is going to take about 1.5 seconds for your touch to be recognized on your Samsung phone. So if you just click on touch like this on Samsung phone, it will not be recognized. You just need to make sure you press and hold. So see, the easy mode app icon is quite different from when the device is not on easy mode. Then to disable the easy mode, all you need to do is just come back to the display setting and scroll down to easy mode and then disable this feature. And once that is disabled, you can just see the difference. This is how the application now looks. So with easy mode on your Samsung phone, it gives you a bigger app icon, and of course it makes the font bigger and it requires a longer time before you can use the press and hold feature. So if this is helpful on how to turn on or enable easy mode on Samsung Galaxy phone, you want to hit the button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.